People who follow us on Instagram, and some who follow us on Facebook, and some of you follow us on both. And Molly's sad if you don't follow us at all. So be sure to like and follow us. We're also on YouTube and anywhere else we are, Wally, that I can't think of.
Twitter.
I don't check that very often, sorry guys. But we are on Twitter. So yeah. Something came today. I was just realizing when it came that this is probably one of the smallest loyalty rewards boxes. So this is my monthly subscription box basically with doTERRA, and it's the way to save. It's the way that I get a lot of stuff free. I think a lot of stuff in here, at least supplement wise, I used my points and got them free. So not many people can say they get their supplements, their toothpaste, or any of their hair care for free. Next month is hair care. All right, so we'll talk about that in a minute. So we're gonna do an unboxing. And part of this is because we just moved in. I had not had a chance to kind of look around and see what I needed. I did a quick peek of what I needed, and then after I did my order, I went, oh yeah, I need to get a big thing of shampoo because we were moving and traveling. So we'll talk about that in a second too. Paper. I've seen a lot of that lately with unboxing. Ooh, I love this. March 8th. Yeah, it's definitely after March 8th, was International Women's Day. So all month long of March, you guys have time. It's doTERRA's Healing Hands is highlighting how women are challenging norms and empowering change. So join them on their social media as well. So that's in there. Again, usually I'd get my order done like the 1st or 2nd, but we were in the middle of driving across the country. A little crazy, right, Wally? All right, so this is part of the sustainable packaging. I noticed in a lot of the stuff we were unwrapping, I had used a lot of my doTERRA stuff. So if you're moving, or you know someone that is, offer them some of this stuff because this actually works really nicely for boxing, right, Wally? We saw a lot of this. Reuse stuff, recycle. All right, I'm gonna wrap some of these because some of these were free, some of these were purchased. So this is for Molly. This is the IQ Megas with Wild Orange. She definitely tends to have more energy when she takes it. There's a couple days we didn't. Wally, would you say you noticed she's got more energy the last 2 days?
I don't know.
Except for when it's warm. So yeah, hers is over there because she gets fed down here. And I knew she goes through this pretty fast. I do about a teaspoon. Otherwise, this is great for the kiddos. There are some recipes on doTERRA's website on how to put it into pancakes. All right, so I got that. And I got cedarwood free. I was gonna get lemongrass because it's 15% off this month. But then I saw I had 6 bottles sitting in my stash, so figured I didn't need any more lemongrass right now. But we have cedarwood, and cedarwood is a great calming oil, a great one for bugs, great for skincare. So is lemongrass. What else? We like to diffuse this with some citrus oils. Great diffusing with lemongrass. Lavender for bedtime support, rest, relaxation. What else? Very woodsy. Wally likes cedarwood. Very woodsy, but again, skin support. Great for scalp, putting in your shampoo and conditioner. And then I always take 2 Copaiba at night. There's been some times I've been a little sore and stiff from moving and packing, driving cross country. So I've taken a little bit extra Copaiba for the aches and discomfort. And then it's also great for digestive, immune system. You name it, Copaiba is amazing. Helping support all systems. So I take a couple of these. I have the oil as well, but this is nice and easy and convenient to take. And it's just easy to take a couple at night to help with sleep support. That's probably why I've been conking out. So I cashed in points and got these free because I had my loyalty rewards points. And then I had cashed in points for the adaptive because I was running low on these. So I take one of these at bedtime as well. During the move of stress, or the move of stress. Yes, moves can be stressful if you've moved, right, Wally? He's half asleep over here. Maybe we should give him some Copaiba and send him to bed. The adaptive capsules, in conjunction with diffusing, does make a huge difference. A couple nights we were so tired, I had only taken these, we forgot to put the diffuser on, we didn't sleep as well, I didn't sleep as well, and then another night I forgot to take my supplements, Micropybar, my adaptive, and we put the diffuser on, I didn't sleep as well, so it makes a difference. But I take one of these at night with 2 of these, and then I take one in the morning if it's a stressful day. So while I was getting ready to move, planning all of that, doing that, I was taking a little bit extra. So I wanted to stock up. I usually have an extra in case I come across someone who needs to try it or is running low. I like to have a little bit extra. So this was my order, you guys, this month. A little bit smaller, but part of it is because we kind of recombined, both of us being back together. So I was finding all my On Guard products already. The only thing, like I said, I realized was we need some more shampoo, and hopefully I put it in our member only group. So if you are one of our Essential Life family members, let me know, because we have a members only group on Facebook, and we're doing a hair care challenge next month. So it's using the hair care products from doTERRA. You can add those into your cart this month. But I know I'm going to need more for next month, so I'm going to get the bigger bottle since they're back in stock, and I'm going to add cedarwood to my shampoo, because Wally said that sounded good. We talked about that in our hair care class. And then I'm going to add in, I'm going to get the serum, or it's the gel. I already have the serum. It's the sculpting gel, and I'm going to make a recipe that is great for beach waves, but I've heard from others that they like it for like a natural hairspray. So I'm gonna try and make that next month as well when I get that. But yeah, we're gonna do a hair care challenge, see what we notice, any difference, any changes using doTERRA's hair care line, and we'll let you know if we have a luscious mane by the end. And I can say I've been using it again, and I've added some oil, different oil with it, and I'm noticing I'm getting a little baby hairs in areas, so that's exciting. We'll see what happens over a 15-day period of using it regularly. All right, so that's what's in my box. If you guys got your boxes, please share what you got in your loyalty rewards this month in your orders. I'd love to hear from you guys what you're excited about. So hopefully you guys got some lemongrass. Like I said, I had 6 bottles sitting there. I don't need 6. I'm trying to be careful with how many I have got right now, because I've got a stash of oils. Wally's nodding his head yes. He's behind the camera. All right, I will see you all next time. Stay nice and cool, stay nice and warm, depending on where you are. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. Be sure to drop a comment where you are watching from. Love to hear from you. Any comments right now, Wally?
Courtney Coran and
hey, Courtney.
Patricia Horton Carlson's watching.
Hi, Pat. So, yes, and you're in our dining room right now. I need to give them all a tour one of these days. Not now. Wally's giving me a look. I'm too tired for this. I will give you a tour one of these days. We're still getting things settled. We kind of took a few days off to explore the area, get to know the area, which was important to take a few days off. Our bodies needed it. Much needed rest. And we even had some of his buddies over last night and had a little meal and enjoyed our new to us grill. It was delicious. So good job to the steak master over there. Yeah, so hopefully you guys will see some more stuff soon as we get settled, and I was excited to share kind of what I got. Again, small. Normally I get a lot more items, but it was kind of, what do I absolutely need right now? What am I low on? I think I had to do another order. Yes, I had to do a second order, so I have a second order coming because, but like I said, I missed some things when I did this order, and I have a bunch of PB Assist coming. Or no, yeah, that's what I cashed in for free, and then this was free. I'm remembering now. Can you tell? It's been a crazy couple weeks. So that's what we did, and I'll have another unboxing soon, but I needed my probiotic because I did this and went, oh shoot. It happens, and that's okay. If you catch it in time, you can call doTERRA and they will they can add it to your order, but since I was just cashing in points for that one, I just cashed in a bunch of points, and I think I threw a lemon oil in there because we're going through that like crazy with laundry and dishes and cleaning things. So, yeah, I think that's everything. Molly, you look way too cozy. Yes, she does. All right, I will see you all next time. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.